I call this my Gen 2 design. Let's take a look at how this is a better design. Firstly, I use Neoprene to make this mask. It is washable, light, and it hugs tightly to your face and provides a very good airtight seal between the mask and your face. There's a pocket for you to insert the replaceable filter instead of taping it onto the mask in my first generation of the design. This flexible pocket, when in use, presses against your nose, and you don't even need a nose clip. Two side straps, when pulled tight, will trap the filter in place and avoid any air leakage around the filter. In addition, the replaceable filter, with its wire frame at the back, and when it's bent, will provide a nose clip function. The overall look and feel is less bulky. There are two breathing holes, which provide better airflow. That means you can do strenuous exercise without running out of air to breathe. I use the 4 points to hold the mask in place, and when I move around, the mask stays in place. Let's see how I make it. I realized there are mask patterns available on the internet, which I can leverage for this design. A quick way to implement my design is to buy a mask online and then modify it to support the replaceable filter. Firstly, I cut the mask pattern and then use dental floss as thread to sew them together. I cut two small pieces. Again, I sew them together, and then I stitch this piece onto the mask to create a pocket for the filter. As for the replaceable air filter, I use MERV 13 filter. You can get a filter with higher MERV rating. A sheet of 20 inches by 20 inches filter can be flattened to 20 inches by 40 inches. A replaceable filter is about 1.75 inches by 5 inches. Therefore, each of these large filter can make 90 pieces of the replaceable filter. Last I checked, the cost of a large filter is $6.33 each. Therefore, each replaceable filter costs around 7 to 8 cents. I would suggest wrapping the filter with a paper towel and use it as an additional filter to prevent any fiber from the MERV 13 filter from getting into your lung. Please remember the filter will not kill the germs. Therefore, when you remove it from the unit, be sure to wash your hands and also the mask after each use. Now, I'm already thinking about the Gen 3 design. Welcome your feedback and subscription to my channel. See you again. Bye.